Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now we have to localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can go back to the system, go to the system in this left section, scroll down in this right section and enter developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can don't keep activities, we can enable the strict mode, change the window animation scale. Here we've got some options connected with the networking, we've got Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, etc. So all you have to do to turn on the feature is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just tap on the switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. And now you can see that most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options will also disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.